What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Halloween look. So I'm gonna take you from this to this. I really hope you guys are enjoying these looks. I'm trying to bring you easy looks that you can do with whatever makeup you already have at home, and then you can head over to Amazon, order these pieces, and they're gonna get to you in 48 hours. It's wild. So if you are a last minute chick like I am, this costume is perfect for you. I'm gonna do my base off camera just because it's so simple and you guys have seen it 100 times, pretty boring at this point. And then we're gonna get right into this gypsy fortune teller look. Okay guys, so that's a little bit better and a couple steps closer to this final look. So I went in, did my foundation, lightly set my face, did an extremely heavy contour. I would typically never, ever, this is like so freaking harsh, I can't. Really, really heavy contour, and now we're gonna go into the next steps. So because this is more of a glam fortune teller gypsy character, I am going to go extremely heavy on the highlighter. So I'm just gonna make sure that whatever I set under my face is dusted away. I'm gonna lightly brush it over the rest of my face. Because this is a Halloween look, you obviously want it to last as long as possible. So I'm just gonna go in with my Becca Cosmetics Opal Highlighter. Again, this is a Halloween look. You want it to be naughty and nice at the same time. Like I said, this look is super easy. Just go through your makeup, see what you have. So I grabbed 4 palettes. So this is going to be messy. You do not have to be great at makeup to achieve this. I'm just gonna go through, open up these palettes, and just kind of like dip into all of them. So now that I have my red eyes really smoked out and a little dragged out, I'm not gonna go in and do like a full brow. So I'm just gonna go in with tinted brow gel and fluff them out a little bit. Before I move on to the lips and the rest of the costume, I do want to add some glitter to this look. So I picked up 2 random glitter items from the drugstore. One is, well actually they're both Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna test them out. My plan is to kind of drag this liquid glitter down my eyes to just glitz it up a little bit more because it's kind of clowny right now. And then I'm gonna pop this glitter in the inner corners. So let's see how well these products actually work. For Wet n Wild having inexpensive makeup, it literally takes me 20 minutes to open up their shit. It's literally ridiculous. Okay, so we're just gonna wing this. I don't know how well these products work. This is going to be a bitch to get them off after. So I'm gonna just go in with a little brush and apply this glitter in the corner of my eyes. If I didn't have eyelash extensions on right now, I would do false lashes, so I definitely recommend them for your look just to make it more glam, more feminine, but I'm gonna skip that step and move over to lips. So I used this lip liner in my Jessica Rabbit makeup tutorial, and it's super dark, and I actually have the matching red lip to it. So I'm just going to overline my lips again, make them very dramatic so we can finish up this makeup look. Now that my lips have dried down, I'm going to go in with this. I'm pretty sure it's liquid catsuit. So this is liquid eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my mouth to make it pop a little bit in the center. Love that. So I'm gonna go run into the bathroom, pop my green contacts in, come back and apply the wig with you guys. So I went and put in my contacts. I went and found any gold jewelry I had. So I have these cute little rings, and then I just got these new hoops in that are actually really freaking pretty and perfect for this. So, oh, and my costume. I'll show you guys that after because I didn't show you the Jessica Rabbit one, which actually makes me really sad. So the wig I'm going to be wearing today is actually the one I showed you on my Instagram, and I asked you guys for Halloween ideas, and this idea actually came from my buddy Ben. So thank you, Ben, for this Gypsy idea, Gypsy fortune teller. So here we have the long beauty. I think this is actually gonna be perfect, and I bought a headpiece for it, so I still have a couple more pieces of jewelry to put on. But I'm gonna prepare this wig. It still has, you can see, it still has the lace on it. I was watching videos of girls put their wigs on and then cut it, and I don't know if you guys like know me yet, but I am not coordinated enough for that. So I'm gonna trim it on camera with you guys off of my head. I just use little manicure scissors when I do this, and I make sure that I pull the hair back, obviously to expose the hairline, so I'm not clipping away any vital pieces that I'm gonna need. And I always just start in the center and cut. I will have everything linked in the description box for you guys. So all of the pieces that I bought off of Amazon, I have a discount code for this wig, so you will be able to find it all in the description box. Okay, now that all the lace is trimmed, I've already previously brushed this out. This is a full synthetic lace front wig. Inside we have 3 clips, so 1 on the top, 2 on the sides, and then you have the strap to pull everything tighter. I am just going to and this is why I don't want to trim the wig on my head. Oh, I'm such a mess. So this is what it looks like with the wig on. I did buy a head cap. What is this called? A head cap, a headpiece. So I am going to put this on with the wig, and then we're going to do the last piece of jewelry. I truly am a hot mess, so if you ever think I have my life together, think otherwise. My dog is going to hate me. So I kind of wanted to clip it in the center, but I think I'm gonna do the side. Okay guys, so here we have the full Gypsy fortune teller look. Before I go show you the rest of this costume, I'm gonna ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also go follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak. That's obviously where I will be posting this look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's go finish it off.
Who is that? You don't know who Mommy is? Hey, you don't know who Mommy is? What do you think?
You're a freak.
Kelly, where'd Mommy go? Where did Mommy go?
Kelly, I have to show them my outfit. Oh, you wanna play? Look at the play button. Okay. Okay, Kelly. Hey guys, so here we have the full outfit. So what I did was I purchased a long, well not long, but I purchased a white dress. So then I got a, obviously, belt, like a corset to cinch in my waist. And then I just picked up something red and sparkly and I put on my shoe dazzle boots. So here we have the full look, super, super easy. All of this stuff was very inexpensive. Then we have the wig. Obviously you don't need a wig, you can use your own hair, but I think it just adds like a fun element to the outfit. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and this is a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.